Okay, tell me about Captain Sweep and his very secret plan. How much do you know of this plan?
I know nothing about this plan. You know, I little bits here and there. I guess I shouldn't say nothing, but Captain Sweep's a very, in some ways, very elusive, but also very outgoing, eccentric. Little bits here and there, and if you're interested enough, you glean enough to be able to get a rough idea of where he's heading and what he wants and where he's trying to go and stuff. So I feel like over time I'm putting more and more of the picture together, but I'm certainly a guy stuck with a bunch of random jigsaw puzzle pieces in the tray trying to go like, is this supposed to be a dog or a clam or
Do you think all the pieces actually come together in any manner?
Absolutely. This man is spent a lot of his time and energy in his life slowly coming up with systems within systems within systems, plans within plans within plans, and meeting certain peoples and learning and making more connections. So I think it all fits together. It's a work in progress. It's such a great work. It's this huge body of work. It takes time as he presents it to the community, to the world, for the input and the whatnot to get to a more well-rounded place. Yeah.
You seem to have, at least in terms of Facebook likes, quite an edge over most people.
Well, I try to watch his videos. I don't catch them all the time or right when they're posted, but I try to watch them. I find them fascinating. Really interesting characters that he gets on there, and his approach to the issues and the problems and stuff I find really unique and really necessary. A lot of what he talks about is uncomfortable to some people, but it's got to be said. Someone has to talk about it. And the fact that he's trying, instead of just sitting back and moaning and groaning and being a coffee shop revolutionary, he's actually out there in coffee shops starting the revolution.
Finally, someone knows it to that.
So altogether, he's brilliant.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Let's